Hi everyone, my name is Sebastian Bleak, and welcome to my course, Photoshop CC, Working with Brushes. I'm a video training author specializing in Photoshop and Illustrator, and I'm an Adobe community professional. Once you have a better understanding of brushes in Photoshop, you'll have more freedom when working on your creative projects. This course is a quick introduction to working with brushes in Photoshop. And the great thing is, no prior experience with brushes is required. Some of the major topics that will be covered include an overview of the brush tools and settings, creating a custom brush library, brush types and techniques, and we're even going to be talking about using tablets when working with brushes. By the end of this course, you'll know how brushes work and how to use them in your particular workflow. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with layers and the basic user interface of Adobe Photoshop. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn all about brushes with the Photoshop CC Working with Brushes course at Pluralsight.